In the series of NEET PG daily dose. So question is asking which is the earliest marker to rise in acute MI. So here you can see the option A is CKMB and option B is LDH and option C is myoglobin and D is troponin T. So here the earliest biomarker to rise in acute MI is myoglobin, but myoglobin we are not using because it is not a specific biomarker, so it has low specificity. Okay, so most sensitive and most specific is trop I. Okay, trop I is most sensitive and specific. Trop T is also highly specific. So different kind of biomarker like myoglobin, trop I, trop T and CKMB, okay, and total LDH. So first biomarker to rise in acute MI is myoglobin. Begin to rise within 1 to 2 hours and return to normal within 24 hours. Okay, and next is trop I, start to rise 3 to 6 hours and back to normal in 7 to 10 days. Okay, and next begin to rise is trop T, 3 to 6 hours and come back normal to 10 to 14 days. And CKMB is begin to rise 3 to 6 hours and become normal within 48 to 72 hours. So within 2 to 3 days the CKMB return come back to normal. That's why we are using as a reinforcer marker. Okay, and total LDS begin to rise within 12 to 24 hours and come back normal in 7 to 14 days. Okay, so moving to the next MCQ. Here a patient of non